Chemistry tricky questions in less than a minute, part 2. 12.4 grams of copper 2 carbonate is heated in a test tube. Only 50% is decomposed. They gave us the MR here. The question is, what will be the final mass of the substances in this test tube? Okay, so this question is tricky because of the statement. It is very misleading. And that's because they want the final mass of the substances. The final mass is everything, not just the product. So, the equation is copper carbonate decomposes to carbon oxide and carbon dioxide. We need to find the mass of these two and then add them up to get the final mass. Since carbon dioxide is a gas, it won't be in the test tube, so we don't need its mass. We have the mass of copper carbonate, but this is the original amount. We know that 50% of it decomposed. So decomposed mass of copper carbonate is 50% times 12.4, we get 6.2. This is the mass of our reactant. Next, we need to find the mass of copper oxide, and we can do that by finding the number of moles of copper carbonate and then use the ratio of the equation. So here's the number of moles of copper carbonate. We'll do the mass over the molar mass. The molar mass was given in the question right here. So we get 0.05. And in the equation, the ratio is 1 to 1. So copper oxide is also 0.05 moles. Now it's easy from here. The mass is the number of moles times the MR. This MR was also given in the question. So number of moles times the MR gives us 4. And as we said, we need the masses of both of these. So 4 plus 6.2, which we got earlier, gives us 10.2 grams. And this will be our final answer.